Welcome and congratulations on starting the 7-day Aqua Boot Camp Challenge. This is a complete, results-driven aqua fitness program designed to transform your entire body in just 1 week, using the power of water to build strength, burn fat, improve endurance, and protect your joints all at the same time. Over the next 7 consecutive days, you'll complete 1 workout per day with no breaks in between. Each day targets a different fitness component: strength, cardio, balance, core, mobility, and recovery. So your body is constantly challenged while staying safe and supported in the water. My friends, this challenge is perfect for all fitness levels, with options to make every workout easier or more advanced. What makes this bootcamp truly special is that it was filmed in beautiful locations across the Dominican Republic. The energy, sunshine, and stunning surroundings make recording these workouts an incredible experience. And I truly hope you have as much fun doing these workouts as I had creating them for you. Important! Make sure you watch every workout until very end, because at the end of each class, I'll tell you what the next day's workout will focus on and what equipment you'll need so you can come prepared and be consistent. This 7-day Aqua Bootcamp Challenge is available as part of my on-demand Aqua Workouts platform, where you get access to over 130 additional Aqua routines with monthly or annual memberships options. You can also follow this challenge on YouTube by joining one of the memberships, 7-day Aqua Bootcamp Challenge to be exact. So, are you ready? Let's begin day 1. Hi guys, welcome to next edition of our amazing aqua workouts. I am back to a beautiful Dominican Republic where, well, we have rainy season, so I have to be very, very careful when I'm making those videos, and I'm just lucky to have probably an hour or so to make this day 1 workout for you. This is a 7-day series, boot camp, aqua boot camp. Amazing workouts. Each day expect something very different. I will tell you all about this format in just a moment, but basically you want to know that you need some pieces of equipment, and you can see exactly what's needed here on the screen. I'm gonna hop in. I need to take a deep breath because it's a little cold, but we can do it. I already know what's in this workout. I know it's super intensive, so that's awesome. What else? I don't know if you can see, but this is the smallest pool I've ever worked out in, and it's enough for 1 person, so let's go. It is cold, so let's warm up.
Always alone. You will always be there.